Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna do some more shortcut selection. So this was just for larger cell selection. The first thing we're gonna do is learning how to select a whole entire row. So hold Shift and hit the space bar to select the entire row. So Shift and hit space. Now if you want to select the whole column, you hold Control and press the space bar to select the entire column. So press Control and then space. Right. And if you want to select a rectangle around touching non-empty cell with a Control and plus A. So hit Control plus A. Okay. Select the touching non-empty cell by holding Control and A. So go Control and A. Select the entire row using the keyboard. Remember this? Yeah. So Shift space. Select the entire column using the keyboard. Again, Control space. And select the group of cell using the keyboard. So this one is Control A. Okay. Thank you, and please subscribe to my channel so I can bring more content to more users. Thank you so much, and see you next time.